So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to explore people on your Facebook page. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. So this is the home page of your Facebook account. Now you should have to tap on your profile icon, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it. Then you will see the option of explore people. So again tap on it. Then scroll down and see other options as well, like this and this. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.